Right, it is almost 7 o'clock in the morning and we are on our way to hopefully go pick up the new car. So we did buy the car, so that wasn't a wasted trip, but it's always weird buying a car when you're travelling. What's it like? What's the seller like? Is it worth the travel? Didn't do any recording when we got there because it was a guy's personal house, so I didn't want to make it a bit awkward. But test drove the car, it was fine. Went through all the paperwork, it was fine. And then had a nice 3-hour drive back, and this is what I got. So here we are, one very dirty Audi RS4 B7 Avant, black on black. Just do a quick walk around. I will give it a wash. At the 3-hour drive back yesterday and it was wet when we got back, but we'll give it a nice wash today. Nice original 19-inch rims. It's had new brakes on the front, thankfully, because they're quite expensive, and Continental tyres, not something I've had before, but we'll see how we get on with them. If we have to swap them out, then we will, but just love the shape. RS wing mirrors, RS badging. Back windows are tinted, not sure if they're from factory or aftermarket, but they do set the car off quite nicely. Just look at those arches. Really set the car off. Classic RS exhaust, one each side. Inside we've got the carbon effect dash. The back seats, they don't look like they've been sat in very much. Let's get inside. First car I've had with a speeder that goes up to 200. Not sure how close we'll get to that, but we'll see. It's got the carbon running all the way along through. Quattro badge. And then we've got some more carbon and some more carbon. And then we've got the navigation system, which is the same as a Lamborghini Gallardo or my other A4 diesel. Parking sensors. And then we've got the nice little S button. Party piece. There it is. Nice carbon effect trim. It's just plastic, but it looks really nice. And the manifold, and then the red banks. It's all quite clean under here. It's obviously been looked after by the previous owners, but we'll give it a good clean, make it look so shine. Right, let's start it up. Don't know why it says that, because the right headlights work fine, but we'll sort that out. Very nice. Okay, so a quick update. When I was fiddling with the car, I just turned the DRL lights back on and the warning went away. So I'm not sure if it's a resistor thing or if the car didn't like the fact it was aftermarket lights. But once I turned the DRLs on, the car was fine. So sorted.